Hi guys, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick guide, we will learn using Microsoft Copilot in Windows for free. Whether you have signed up for a free Microsoft account or want to explore without one, Copilot is your powerful assistant designed to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. For smart suggestion to personalize assistance, Copilot integrates seamlessly into your Windows experience and offering you unparalleled support at no extra cost. Stay tuned as we dive into the steps to unlock the full potential of Copilot, making your digital life more easier and efficient. Before proceeding, please consider like and subscribe my channel. Now, if you can see my screen, I have two screens appear in front of you for Copilot. The one is Microsoft Edge, and the second screen or the second Copilot option we have is an app built in Windows. And also, if for any reason you don't have Copilot in your Windows device, you can just write download Copilot here, and here you will get the option to download Copilot for free into your Windows device. Most probably you will have the Copilot in your Windows devices starting Windows 10 and 11, but if you don't, you can download it from this website, and I will add this website in the video description. Previously, if you remember, I have shown you that we can create and we can use free Outlook account with OneDrive storage and Office apps, including Word, Excel, and Outlook. So we can use Copilot without signing with the application. We can use it in the browser as well as we can use it in the application. So let's say we are curious. We want to ask Copilot that what will be the difference if we use Copilot with a sign in or without an email sign in. As I don't need a story and I want to ask this from Copilot in few words. So let's see what Copilot will say. Copilot is saying that using Copilot with email sign-in offers personalized experiences, saved preferences, and seamless integration. Without email sign-in, you get a more generic and temporary experience. So let's go ahead and sign in with our free email that we have created in this video. If you want to learn how you can create a free email, how you can get a free OneDrive storage, free Microsoft email, you can view this video from the video description. I will add this video link in the video description. So let's go ahead and log in with that free email just to see that how we can use Copilot with our email. So let's open it and click on sign in. Let's go to sign in again. If you remember, I've created ITPK 2024 at outlook.com. Click next. Here, let's give a password. Looks like I am signed in. I don't want to save this password and click yes. Now, until this signing in, let's go ahead in the browser, and here we want to go to settings, and in the settings we want to add an account, right? Click on add. We will add ITPK account. First, what we will do, we will remove the current account, and then we will go ahead and click on sign in. I accept, and here we will add our free Microsoft account that I have created with you in the recent video. Okay, so this is initial setup of this account into Microsoft Edge, and after this we will be able to use Copilot with our specific email. We could use Copilot without email, but my purpose of this video is to show you the complete setup of Copilot, right, with our email. Okay, now it's loading Copilot, and for your confirmation, let me show you. This was the email that I showed you, that this is the free email account we have created to use Outlook email, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and also we got a free storage of OneDrive up to 15 GB. So I appreciate Microsoft for this. Here you go. OneDrive we could use Teams and all those. And here our target is to use Copilot here. Let's say Copilot. Okay, I said Copilot that create ITPK logo for my YouTube channel. So at this point, we have set up Copilot into the browser as well as into the Copilot application. So I'm not going to show you the complete tutorial about how to use Copilot. My purpose of this video was to show you how we can set up Copilot completely in our Windows with email and without email into our application as well. Now I opened this Copilot. This is asking my first name, Subir. Let's click next. I don't want to choose anything here, and let's sign in with ITPK. Also in the Copilot here, Copilot found an account. Okay. If you see previously, we have asked Copilot what will be the difference if you use Copilot with email sign-in and without email sign-in. And you can see that Copilot has saved our recent history and preferences. This is the difference between using the Copilot with email and without email. If we use it with free Outlook email, we will get all the history and preferences saved, right? So for your understanding, I can ask something from Copilot that I asked Copilot that please give me an HTML code to create a form, right? And Copilot is writing that HTML code for me. So here you can see Copilot also generated logo design for my YouTube channel. And that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. I will try to cover in next tutorial that how we can use Copilot perfectly. But I think this is much enough for you to understand how to set up Copilot both in your browser as well as in your Copilot application, right? And how we can use Copilot with an email and without an email. And what are the advantages of using Copilot with email? And the video I have shown you and the processes of Copilot I have shown you is completely free from Microsoft. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.